Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello to all my dear students. Welcome to AIMS Online Education Center. After a long time YouTube video due to my engagements, so that's why I am here for you. And today we are discussing about variable. In the previous session, I will teach you about what is type of researches, but due to my engagement, as I told you, I cannot upload about further research video. So some students are asking about what is meant by variable. So today we are addressing variable. In the next video I will tell you about types of variable, and so on we progress it to two types of variable each day we study, so you can understand very carefully and thoughtfully, and your level of understanding higher. I will explain you in one day, but there is lot of ambiguities in your mind about those variables, right? So after completion these variable, I will upload the video about the further types of researches. So if you are like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel as well as share and hit the bell icon. Let's start our lesson. What is meant by variable? Variable is Variable are the things you measure, manipulate, and control in statistics and research. Anything which is changing with the passage of time are called variable in simple sense, right? So variables are the things, or either are not the things, either it's organismic or non-organismic. We can measure, like we can measure water, we can measure drink, we can measure uh, groceries, right? Those things which are quantify or non-quantifiable are called variables, right? Manipulate and control in stats. Those things which we are under control in our laboratory or in research in stats are called variables. All study analyze a variable which can describe a person, place, thing, or idea. Variable should be a person, a place, a thing, or idea. How you can do a search on place? If you can do a search on the place, the custom of that place, the habit of that people, of the people around their place, because you are generalize the society in groups, which you are under your study is called variable as well. Thing or idea. Idea is also called variable in some terms. Like if I may think that the project method of teaching is very good, which we applied in all departments, all sciences in the research field. So this could be a variable project method, right? So a variable value can change between groups or individual over time. The value, the main basic function, when we ask about what is the main important chunks or characteristic of a variable, you can set that is a value. A variable value can change between groups or individual over time. With the passage of time, it's variable changing. Like I will give you an example. When I am a student, the science book said that there are 9 planets around our solar system, right? So now the whole concept changed. Pluto eliminate that concept because continuously variable are planets are moving away from the sun, so they eliminate from this our solar system. So there could be a variable, right? So I already tell you about something or idea, right? So nowadays the books address that there are 8 planets in the our solar system. So this is called variable. If you have any problem regarding this, you can comment me, and I will give you one more example to elaborate the concept variable. If I want to research about the colors of eyes of children, right? So which color is dominant, either blue, green, black, brown? So it's depend upon its genetic, which gene dominancy. So we study gene dominancy, we go to experimental such as I already upload the video related to experimental search. So eye color change, eye food color is also called a variable, right? You can dress as hair color is also a variable, right? And height is also variable, weight is an also variable which you can study in your research. So there are a lot of things in research you can study. So it is called variable, and I already tell you about, you are very good student. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share with your friends. See you soon. Bye bye.